Classic deviled eggs. Prep time 15, cook time 5, yield 12. Description: classic deviled eggs are simple and easy to whip up, go-to appetizer for all your party, picnic, or just because needs. Ingredients: 6 eggs, 3½ tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon black ground pepper, 1/8 teaspoon red pepper powder optional, smoked paprika. Instructions: place eggs in a medium saucepan and cover with water so that there is 1 to 2 inches of water above the eggs. Heat on high and bring to a boil. Remove from heat, cover, and set aside for 14 minutes. Run eggs through cold water for 1 minute. Carefully peel eggs and slice lengthwise. Remove yolks and place in a medium bowl. Set egg whites aside. Using a fork, mash the yolks until crumbly. Add mayonnaise, vinegar, mustard, salt and pepper. Add red pepper powder for a kick. Mix together. Piper spoon mixture into egg whites. Sprinkle paprika on top and serve. Notes: these deviled eggs are best served fresh. However, you can store them for up to 2 days in the refrigerator in a tightly sealed container.